What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Ladies, we are holding up pretty well, man. We're holding a steady market cap for this consolidation. It's only a matter of time until the breakout happens, man, and when it happens, I hope y'all had your bags packed. I hope you had your bags packed. But just gotta let y'all know, if you're down, if you are losing on your investment, and there's nothing wrong with saving your investment, as in like protecting your investment. And if you choose, like, you think there's better assets out there, that's really on you to decide. Remember, I think you guys should really take, how should I put this? You should really take control and not just listen to influencers, man. They recently had this huge scam on Ethereum with a top influencer. So many people lost money, right? So many people lost money. And just like that, dude was already a millionaire, right? And now he's made even more millions scamming so many people, trying to justify it, saying people don't take accountability, they don't read, they don't try to research their own self, right? And I think we got to do our best to avoid that, right? So remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project in the space, because crypto is not guaranteed, and it is very volatile, guys. So yeah, stay safe out there, manage your risk, man. That's the best thing you could do, manage your risk, right? But this is why I say never ape into green candles as well, because guess what, when we take a look at the ladies chart, you could have had people that were buying a little bit higher, like up here at that 0.6 mark. Now we go back to that 0.6 mark. That's a 2x. That's a 2x right there from your entry. And now it's so much cheaper to get that 10 billion Milady bag, right? It's only $270 for 10 billion Miladies now, man. Right? That is let me make sure that's the accurate amount. Yeah, so $270 for 10 billion Miladies now, man. And this is why you just gotta wait. Like, don't ever think you're getting getting left behind, right? Don't ever think that. Don't ever try to FOMO. Just time your buys as best as you can, not perfectly, but as best as you can, and DCA. That's how you win in the space, man. You DCA. Right now, these are the levels people should be buying, right? These are the levels. People are gonna be like bearish. There's gonna be a ton of negative comments about the ladies project, the chart. They're gonna say, people are gonna call it a scam, etc, etc, etc. And then when it starts to pump, all of a sudden, yo, I'm bullish, I'm bullish, I'm bullish. There's people are gonna FOMO. They're gonna buy the top. It's gonna retrace back on them, and guess what? The cycle repeats. Oh, it's a scam. This was a scam. This is a sinking ship. This is it's so annoying how this space is, guys. It really is, right? But there's the people that are buying at these levels, those are the smart buys. Those are the smart buyers, man. You buy the red days, guys. That's when you buy. See right here, somebody calling the project a dead coin, right? People are bearish on it, right? Look at this, daily volume lowest it's been, right? They got people that are still gonna be bullish. KH4, I've loaded my bags with just some now. It's so cheap right now. It's like a crypto Black Friday today. Everything tax free plus 50% off. They got people that are gonna be adding to their bags at these levels, and once the bull market comes back and their conviction was accurate and lady starts to go crazy once again, people like KH4 are gonna be rejoicing, man. Crypto Runner just thinks she could take any time. Just had a 1 billion great cheap entry point. It's a no-brainer, win-win. It's here to stay. Imagine 1000x during a bull run. Licking my lips now. Femix, okay, it's time now. Johnny Fashion, I've yet to lose any money on ladies. You fools always wait till the last minute to buy when they are trending. They say when they are pumping. What about me who bought when they were dipping? When should I sell? Right? Right? And that's the mindset to have. Like, really, that's truly the mindset to have, man. Buy when there's red days. Don't buy the pumps, man. Don't buy the pumps, guys. Sell the pumps. Buy the red. Let's see what we got for the official Twitter. You got some new memes, obviously. Ladies are fighting a revolution in the crypto world. Join the battle and witness the rise of a meme coin champion. 12k views on that tweet. Nice engagement. Super ladies. Ooh, 30k views on the tweet, man. Let the charm of ladies leave you mesmerized. Look at that, 23k views. The engagement is still there. I like what I see, man. The engagement is still there. There's still a community for ladies. I think the crypto.com investors, especially people like people that are in dogecoin Mars, they finally get another new meme coin that's on crypto.com to get their hands on, because the dogecoin Mars community on crypto.com is super like active and engaged. So now they could diversify into another meme coin, which is ladies, on crypto.com, and I'm sure a lot of them are happy for that, because it's at a much lower market cap, man. It's at a much lower market cap to, for example, to dogecoin Mars, right? That's a few more X's back to dogecoin Mars's market cap, right? That's almost like a 5x to get to dogecoin Mars's market cap. And in a bull run, I'm telling you, a lot of projects are gonna, meme coins are gonna send like crazy. Meme coins are gonna send like crazy, man. The top ones, especially that are on tier 1 exchanges, guys. Look at this, ladies. The most 7-day traded highlighted memes that haven't been listed on Binance yet. The most traded, and look at this, number 2, ladies, right here, man. Number 2 in trade volume. Like, it's constant. It's a constant thing that people are tuning in for. That people are trading ladies, guys. That's great and bullish stuff to see, man. And we know Ben from BitBoy, right? We have more volume than that, and a ton of other meme coins. Safe Moon right here, remember Safe Moon? More volume than that, guys. Great stuff for ladies, man. Really great stuff. From Whale, Elon Musk is going to bring mass adoption for Dogecoin. And we got Main City replying, Twitter will be a gateway for new investors to get into meme coins. Ladies will go parabolic once that happens. Remember, Elon is bullish on ladies. Remember when he put out that tweet? Remember, that's gonna be down in history, man. You guys gotta remember that. Let me pull that up for you guys real quick. Look at this. This tweet. Somebody should make an NFT of this tweet, man. I wonder how much views it's at now, because it got to 32.8 million views in May. There is no meme I love you. Okay? That's why ladies became so big, right? And that's gonna be history right there, guys. Don't ever forget Elon Musk tweeted ladies, guys. Don't ever forget that. Life, AI, crypto, and more. We as a crypto community need to rally around one coin for a week and pump it. We will all win. Let's come together and get rich. Let's say we have money, put it into shiba, Pepe, ladies, dogecoin Mars, Dogecoin, or whatever. We could do billions of volume and make money. Who's in? But these memes right here, these are the memes that, in my opinion, are gonna crush it. Shiba is gonna eventually start going again. Pepe, ladies, dogecoin Mars. Yep. I think the top memes, right, that I showed you guys in the category memes, I think the top memes right here, as we can see, man, Doge, Pepe, Dogecoin, ladies right here, man, all of the ones that are on like tier 1 exchanges. Once they're on a tier 1 exchange, I think the pumps are gonna be stupendous for them, man. So ladies fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Most 7-day traded highlighted memes that hasn't been listed on Binance yet. Number 2 spot, ladies. Okay, I hope let me know if y'all still holding. Let me know if y'all are still holding into ladies in the comment section. If you hold the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything ladies and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral, guys. Really appreciate every single bit of support that you give, man. Go support the previous videos. Go rewatch all the previous ladies videos. I got a ton. Go rewatch them all. Thank y'all so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one.